after deep silence, sound returns. Not abruptly, not loudly, but gently. Sound does not break silence, it emerges from it. When sound returns after silence, it carries clarity. It knows why it exists. This sound does not rush to fill space. It respects what held it. The return of sound is not noise resuming. It is meaning finding form. When silence has been honored, sound arrives without struggle. It does not compete. It does not demand. This is why music feels different after stillness. It is cleaner, more honest. Sound now listens as it speaks, each vibration aware of its place. In life, the same rhythm unfolds after stillness. Action returns, but it is no longer reactive. Movement comes from alignment, not impulse. Words return, but they carry less weight and more truth. The return of sound marks integration. Silence has done its work. Now creation can move without distortion. Right now, notice which sounds feel respectful of silence. Notice which ones feel unnecessary. Let sound arise only where it belongs. This is the return that restores balance. This is sound that remembers its source. This is Sri Shambhav Music Podcast, where sound returns without forgetting silence.